Living in Austin comes with its fair share of benefits: beautiful scenery, a vibrant community, and plenty of sunshine. However, that abundant sunshine can be a double-edged sword. While it's great for outdoor activities and enjoying the Texas weather, the UV, ultraviolet, rays that come with it can cause significant damage to your home's interior. Over time, exposure to UV rays can fade furniture, flooring, artwork, and even damage your walls. Fortunately, proper window installation can help protect your home from the harmful effects of UV rays, making your living space more comfortable and preserving the longevity of your belongings. Here's how a window installation can help protect your Austin home from UV damage. UV protection with low-E glass. One of the most effective ways to shield your home from UV damage is by choosing windows with low emissivity glass. Low-E glass is designed to block a significant portion of UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects infrared heat and blocks UV rays, preventing them from entering your home. In Austin, where the sun is often intense, windows with low-E glass can protect your furniture, carpets, and artwork from fading, as well as reduce the risk of sun damage to your skin and eyes. Low-E windows can block up to 99% of harmful UV rays, providing a protective barrier between the interior of your home and the sun's harmful effects. By installing low-E windows, you can maintain your home's aesthetic appeal and protect your interior furnishings for years to come. Reducing heat gain and loss. Another significant benefit of UV protective window installation is the reduction of heat gain and loss. Austin's climate is known for its hot, sunny summers, and UV rays contribute to heat entering your home through the windows. Without adequate protection, your air conditioning system has to work harder to keep your home cool, leading to higher energy costs. Windows with UV blocking coatings and enhanced insulation can reduce heat gain during the summer and retain warmth during the winter. This helps to regulate your home's indoor temperature, making it more energy efficient while also protecting your belongings from the damaging effects of heat and UV rays. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable home year-round and reduce your reliance on heating and cooling systems, lowering your utility bills. Preserving your home's aesthetic appeal. UV damage doesn't just affect the functional aspects of your home. It can also affect the aesthetic appeal of your space. The intense sunlight in Austin can cause your furniture, curtains, carpets, and other textiles to fade and deteriorate over time. Even wooden furniture and flooring are at risk of warping or discoloring due to prolonged exposure to UV rays. By installing UV blocking windows, you can preserve the colors and textures of your furniture and decor. High-performance windows with advanced coatings significantly reduce the amount of UV radiation that enters your home, allowing you to enjoy your space without worrying about the damaging effects of sunlight. Not only does this keep your home looking beautiful, but it also helps protect the value of your investment in furniture and decor. Improved comfort with better light control. In addition to protecting your home from UV damage, proper window installation can improve your overall comfort by giving you better control over the amount of natural light entering your space. The sun can sometimes create harsh glare in your home, making it difficult to enjoy indoor activities or watch television without being bothered by bright spots on your screens. With the right window installation, you can achieve a more comfortable and balanced amount of natural light. UV-blocking windows help filter sunlight to reduce glare while still allowing for plenty of light to brighten up your living space. This allows you to enjoy a more pleasant atmosphere in your home, without the discomfort of bright, overpowering sunlight. Protecting your health. In addition to the aesthetic and environmental benefits, UV-blocking window installation can also protect your health. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can contribute to skin damage, including sunburns and an increased risk of skin cancer. While we all enjoy soaking up the sun, it's essential to protect yourself from the harmful effects of UV radiation, especially indoors. By installing windows with UV protection, you create a safer environment for you and your family. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your home is helping to shield you from the risks associated with prolonged sun exposure, without having to sacrifice natural light or comfort. Long-term investment and value. UV-blocking windows are not just a smart choice for your home's protection, they're also a valuable investment. By preventing UV damage, you prolong the life of your home's interior furnishings and improve its energy efficiency, ultimately saving money on replacement costs and utility bills. The improved comfort and security provided by professionally installed windows also increase the overall value of your property. When it comes time to sell your home, potential buyers will appreciate the added benefits of UV protection, energy efficiency, and aesthetic preservation. Homes with high-quality, energy-efficient windows are more desirable in the real estate market, giving you a competitive edge and increasing your home's market value. Final thought. UV rays can cause significant damage to your home's interior, but with the right window installation, you can protect your belongings, reduce energy costs, and improve overall comfort. In Austin, where sunlight is abundant, investing in UV-blocking windows is a smart choice that will help preserve your furniture, flooring, and decor, while also making your home more energy efficient and comfortable. Choosing professional window installation, you're not only protecting your home from UV damage but also enhancing its overall value and appeal.